Today I will tell you how to make Paneer chicken, Reshmi karahi. Add oil. Puree of onion. Add garlic in cubes. Mix it well. Now add in chicken cubes. Mix all chicken into it. Add yogurt 1 cup. Mix again. I am adding little more garlic paste. It will increase the taste. Add black pepper. Add black pepper according to your taste. Add salt. Now add some cube of cheese. Mix it again. Please do subscribe my channel. Because mostly people watch my video, and they forget to like subscribe. For flavoring I have added some chicken powder. But it's optional. In the end I have adding cream and cheese. Mix. Serve and enjoy. Like, subscribe and share.